everybody, it's Kelly and I have a haul for you today. I'm going to show you what I got from the Simple Stories Little Dude line. I have two grandsons, so I'm always looking for great boy papers, and they're still little. They're 5 and 2, so not totally grunged up or anything like that yet. They're still playful and young and that kind of a thing. So that's where I'm coming from with this. So I'm just going to go through the papers, and I ordered a ton. I ordered a collection pack and then extra pieces of paper. So this first piece is the Little Dude Boys Rule paper, and that's a cute, lots of circles, so great pattern, busy pattern paper, but you can also obviously punch out these circles or cut them out or whatever you want to do as well. And I just love the bright primary colors here. And then the background here is a really great limey green chevron. I think you're picking up on that. Okay, the next paper is the Never Grow Up paper. You can see I have quite a stack, but I go through boy papers all the time. So this is kind of like a teepee pattern. See that? And then the back is this really neat orange, more kind of ethnic pattern. The next paper is the Boy Oh Boy paper. As I do this, you're always getting a preview of the next one. Just a black and white stripe. There's a newsprint in the white stripe. And it's not truly white, by the way. It's more of a creamy color. And then this is the back side, this really great blue with the plus signs. Okay. Next is the Hear Me Roar paper, and the word roar is on here. It's all speech bubbles saying all different things, but there's the word roar, cutie pie, adorable you, little Mr. Superstar, crazy cool kid, hear me roar. So lots of cute in all the colors with the collection. And then on the back, again, black and white, and this is a houndstooth. And this is a little more white than the other one was, but there's definitely a creaminess to all of these. And then the white in here, again, is that newsprint sort of background. So a little grungy, but really nice, easy patterns to work with as backgrounds. And Shamel just is in her layer on layer class is doing a little thing right now about using, one of her lessons was about a black and white background, so that'll be fun to maybe try to do that with this. The next one is the Little Man paper, and I like a good multicolored paper to bring all the colors from the pattern papers I'm using together. This will be great, this dot. And again, newsprinty background, this is a little bit more creamy. And then these arrows on the newsprint cream background. And I didn't show you this, so I'll show you that up close. And then that. And then this paper is the Superhero paper. Just the multi-stripe. Again, really great to use. Background is just black and white X's, and they're kind of a little faded in places, so kind of almost looks like a stamp background. The next paper is the No Limits paper here. And it has some of the icons, so the dog and books, dinosaurs, cars, trucks, the teepee, Rubik's Cube. I think these are fidget spinners, all sorts of different lizards, lots of different things here in those colors. And then this is probably one of my favorite pieces for backgrounds, this blue. And it's not navy, it's a little royal blue. The blue in the pattern. This paper, did I tell you what that is? Yeah, No Limits, I told you that. This is the Play Hard paper, and it's a banner paper in all the colors on black, which I think is wonderful. And then the background is this really lovely, very usable turquoise stripe with, again, that newsprint cream in the background of the stripe. Then we're going to get into the cut-apart sheets. And they have great backgrounds on the cut-aparts if you don't want to use the background. Very usable. So this is the 3x4 elements. And I'm just going to kind of leave this, maybe bring it up a little closer so you can see it. But I love these things for journaling and just adding an extra little touch. And then here's the background on this one, a multicolored diamond, but different sizes. Then there's this one, which is the 4x4 element sheet. Again, some journaling pieces and just other, this will be a great journaling little piece. It's cute. This is one of my grandsons to a T here, this Build, Dig, Dump. And then here's the background. These are some multicolored triangles in rows. So a little bit different take on that. And then there's this one, which is the 4x6 element. So nice journaling cards here, just more elements. And then this really interesting kind of red pattern using the red from the collection. That would make your mind go crazy after a little bit, but I think if you chop it up in different pieces or use pieces of it, that'll be a fun paper to use. And then lastly, these 2x2 elements here. So these will be nice to add in as layering pieces here. Slingshot, that's the thing I couldn't think of before. And then just this really nice gold dot and triangle pattern here. And then I did get some of the stickers and other pieces. So this is the combo cardstock stickers. So word stickers, tabs, border sticker here, and then lots of just regular stickers that are the elements. Now there's a game controller in here, so there is something for a little bit older kids too, but mostly geared towards younger kids. This is the chipboard stickers. And I think you're not getting a glare off of that. So again, a lot of the elements. There is and this is all together, there's a little banner piece there. That'll be nice. They included puffy stickers with this collection. So let me give you a better view of that. And then the die cut pack, which I'm not going to open, but I'll show you the back so you can see what's all included there. So some of the icons here, but also some banners and a couple little phrases and that kind of stuff. So this is a really nice pack. I always love their Simple Stories. This is their ephemera bits and pieces for little dude. And then lastly, I got these stickers. So they have almost like, there's 8 sheets of stickers in here. I'm going to let you see this, but lots of usable things. So there's some larger stickers that you can use for titles. There's some little tiny stickers, little squares that you can use for laying word stickers, more squares, some of the icons here, some of those phrases here, and then just some little circles and things there. So hopefully you guys can kind of see that. And here's the other row, but this is very usable. And then I like to take dimensional adhesive to make these dimensional as well too. So that is the little dude collection. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to leave me a message and I'll get that answered for you. Bye everybody.